Hey guys, Evan Tan here. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use Groupon to look for possible ideas and inspirations for products to sell on your Shopify store. When you first arrive on Groupon, you may realize there's actually a good section where Groupon sell cheap and really interesting products as well. So actually spend time going through these categories and you might find something that you are able to take inspiration from and sell on your Shopify store. So let's go through some of the interesting categories they have. So maybe let's say jewelry and watches, for example. Alright, so when you first arrive on jewelry section, you might start to see what are the accessories and interesting jewelries that the customers want, consumers want. Alright, so we go through them, you can see that people left good reviews on these sorts of products, like the opal tennis bracelet, sapphire bracelet. You can see 5,000 people actually bought this sapphire tennis bracelet. Alright, so these are the items that show that there's a high demand for and it's possible to throw it onto your Shopify store to sell. Alright, so let's go through more. Alright, another one, you see 5,000 bought, 10,000 bought this opal ring in black rhodium plating. Alright, so once you see like these are the possible products, you may then proceed to AliExpress to source them. Alright, so for example, let's say natural healing stone bracelets. Let's source for this. So black healing bracelet, for example. Alright, so over here you can see there's some similar ones with different colors, and you can see it's selling pretty good on AliExpress as well. As you can see, there's thousands and thousands and 12,000 of orders for this one. Alright, so you can go through, try to look for the exact same one. Alright, people love this spiritual stuff nowadays, so this is a potential niche that you are able to get into as well. Alright, so I can't find the exact one, but maybe let's black, it looks like black lava bracelet, I think it's called. Alright, so you can see this one looks even more similar. Alright, there you go. This is the exact same one as we see over here, as you can see. Yes, so for example, you see it's selling for $9.99 here, okay, and it's actually only cost you $2, a little bit over $2 to source from AliExpress. So you can actually take this and inspiration that this sort of products sell really well, and you can actually have a decent profit from this. Alright, so let's take another practice here. So maybe let's try to search the topaz and opal ring. Alright, topaz and opal ring rhodium. Alright, so unfortunately we aren't able to find the exact same one, so maybe black rhodium ring. Let's try. Alright, so this takes some time to actually find the exact same one. However, this is always a good indicator that people are actually looking for such products. So you can search for similar, good looking ones, and they might possibly sell well as well. Alright, so let's go through a last one and see if we can find it. Alright, the blue sapphire tennis bracelet. Alright. Okay. There you go. Alright, of course this one there's only one choice, so it isn't the best one, and the price is a little bit on the steep side. So maybe you want to search blue sapphire bracelet instead of tennis bracelet, and there you go. Alright, you are able to find some good looking ones. They may look a little bit expensive, alright, but I'm pretty sure it is somewhere in AliExpress. If you can't find your product on AliExpress, then you might want to avoid it at the start, as AliExpress is the easier and most straightforward place to source your products at the start. So that's all for this video. Start going through Groupon and going through the subcategories, and possibly you might find your next winning product in there. I'll see you in the next video.